The dreame L10s Robot Vacuum Combo offers fully automated cleaning with features like automatic dust collection, mop cleaning and drying, and self-refilling, making home maintenance effortless. Equipped with advanced AI navigation, this robot vacuum uses an RGB camera and 3D structured light to quickly map your home and optimize cleaning paths based on different obstacles and floor types. With a powerful suction of 5,300 Pascals and automatic carpet detection, the vacuum excels at removing debris, hair, and dust from both floors and carpets. Dual rotary mops spin at 180 revolutions per minute under firm pressure to scrub floors thoroughly, ensuring wood, tile, vinyl, and other hard surfaces are left spotless. The robot's mops are automatically cleaned and dried with hot air, preventing odors and ensuring that your floors stay pristine after each cleaning session. You can customize your cleaning experience from anywhere using the app, creating maps for multi-floor houses, setting no-go zones, and even controlling the vacuum with voice commands.